We are starting on the extension of the driveway, and we had the concrete guys come out today, and they have set it up with the rebarb and the side posts to hold the concrete in. This yard looks horrible. Okay, so they've got everything set up for the concrete pour. Unfortunately, they won't be able to come back to pour the concrete until next Saturday. We are on our way to at least have a concrete patio back here so I can put a grill out here and start cooking a little bit. And eventually we're going to get rid of a lot of this on the side, give us another 8 feet or so, put a retaining wall, give us a lot more space out here. We're finally getting our concrete poured. So I'm gonna go out here and see what's going on. So we've got the concrete truck out here this morning, and we've got concrete being poured in the back of the driveway and also on the back patio. We are not able to use our backyard right now because there is nothing but dirt. So I'm really excited about this part. So they've got the hose running back here all the way from the front of the house. The truck did not even have to come up on the driveway, which is excellent. So they are going to be pouring this concrete shortly. So we're just doing a small pad right now, but we've got to get a landscaper to come in and kind of give us a design for the rest of the backyard. As you see, we've got these weeds growing up, so I definitely got to get somebody back here soon. Look at that beautiful sunrise. And soon we'll be able to be out here and enjoy this. I don't know if you guys can see, but the mountain is pretty covered with a little bit of smog this morning, but still beautiful. Here we go. So if you've never seen this done, you're gonna see it now, because I have never seen it done this close up. Anyway, pretty cool. I'm gonna go outside and get a better view. Let's go see what's going on. As you can see, it's pouring from there, going through this hose, straight on back here to the backyard. So I better get out here before they start pouring the driveway, because once they start this part, I won't be able to come back here. Look at this. So he's smoothing as he's pouring. So they've got all the concrete poured for this part, and they are going to start on they're starting to pour the driveway. I'm missing it. And they have already started with the pour back here. So the guys that are smoothing the concrete have a remote control that they use to stop and start the concrete from coming out of the hose. and they have control over how much concrete is poured. So you see he's got this remote control in his back pocket right there where he stops and starts the concrete from coming out of the hose. Almost to the finish line back here. If anybody gets excited about getting concrete poured, I do, because damn it, this stuff costs a lot of money. Money don't grow on trees, so it took a minute for us to be able to get these concrete trucks out here. So I'm super excited about finally getting it done. So now we are at the point where they've got to just do the smoothing out this concrete, putting the lines like to match this concrete. He still hasn't finished smoothing it out yet. He's working on the driveway side really quick. I didn't see the one right in my face, but I managed to see the one way down here. So we're gonna come take a look and see the progress on the driveway. Oh, it's looking good. He is removing the side rails. He has completed the driveway and the back deck. We've got our back patio done now. So we've got a little space now. We've just got to get the landscaping done. Good morning. The concrete guys have arrived bright and early this morning, and they are about to start doing their pour back here.
Are you videoing right now? Can I talk on the video? Hey.
See, that's the problem right there.
I'm the solution.
They have started the pouring on the concrete back here. Coming along.
Llévate 3 celdos, Robert. No, la fame. refrescante y agota 2 dólares en cada artículo participante con el